Silipin na nga natin ang mga naging highlights from this. Papamagat natin, make or break Monday from inside the Smart Araneta Coliseum. First quarter of action, just like last Saturday, San Miguel took control. Arwin Santos at tatlong tres ang ibinuhos.
Exactly, si Arwin Santos came ready to play and ready to fire sa laro. But more than his offense, ang nakita natin sa ating first quarter was the commitment of San Miguel to play defense, holding Meralco down to only 18 points and only 40% field goal percentage. At parang naririnig ko din yung sinabi ni Coach Leo Austria that they really had to clamp down on defense.
30-18 was the score after quarter number 1. Ang pagkakaiba nga lang na second quarter na to kaysa nung Sabado, itong Meralco, ayan, nag-ingay na naman, nangalampag, nakabalik, pero ang San Miguel nakahanap ng antidote. Ay nalugnatan, brought Meralco to within 2 at that point. Lampas kalahati ng second quarter, pero ayan na naman yung San Miguel Birme.
That's right. At kumikit ang laban, no? And Meralco finding ways to be able to generate offense from Andre Emmet, si Gary David, at saka si Ugnatan. All of them scored at least 6 points in the second period.
Pagdating ng third quarter, halos same-same. Medyo bumagal yung takbo ng ball game, pero doon na nakakuha ng kauna-unang basket niya. Etong si Jared Dillinger, tuwan-tuwa yung mga Hapon na fans na ito ni Seiya Ando. Ugnata naman, barreling his way through. And getting not one, not two, but a third serving to get those 2 points. Baba ulit sa dalawa yung abante ng SMB.
Again, si Ugnatan at saka si Emmet contributing 6 points apiece in that quarter. Nakabalik na sila, and they did it with good help from the bench.
Great defense ang binabanggit mo. Nadine, ayan na naman. AZ Reed with the stop and the layup. At pagbuka ng lamang na San Miguel, they did not look back.
That's right. In terms of points of turnovers, mas marami yung San Miguel because of those turnovers against Meralco. Meralco had 18 turnovers. Actually, San Miguel even had more turnovers. But yung critical factor was yung field goal percentage ng Meralco down to just 44% from 53%, which was what they shot in the first 2 games against San Miguel.
At yan ay mga pantiin na binitawan ni Super Marshall Lassiter. 102-86 is our final score.